guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle and I'm on Raw if you're new here. So today we're serving this clean bit, very clean, barely any eyeshadow. There's no eyeshadow actually. Yeah, so I had this look on when I went out some days back there about, and a few of my YouTube subscribers actually said they wanted to see the video, so I decided to bring it back. Bring it back, eh? Bring it back, eh? Bring it back, eh? Guys, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, I'm sure you want to see it. Keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your post notification. Hit that bell as soon as you subscribe so you can get updates every time I post a new video. And do not forget to follow me on all my social media handles. You're right here. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Hello, so we can move on. Well, I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. That's not new. So right after that, I'm going to use my Laviana face serum. I swear by this. This is like my holy grail. So I'm just gonna pop some. Oosh. And I hope it. I put it on my lips also. Guys, just ignore my nails. Ignore them, please. So next, I'm going to use my Jouer. I'm going to use my Jouer high coverage foundation alongside with my Maybelline Fit Me. The Jouer runs really dark, so I'm going to mix it up with this. So I mix them and then start putting it on my face. Sing in Cardi's voice. So this look, I had this look on the other day when I went out, and someone actually did ask for it. So the other day I was just going through a few of my old videos here, and then I'm gonna highlight my face with my NARS in Biscuit, my soft matte concealer. This is in the shade Biscuit. I was saying the other day I was just looking at my old videos that I put out on YouTube, and I saw that I had 23 followers. Personally, I think I have about 70. Y'all please better subscribe to my channel. But I just felt some type of way. I felt like grateful, like doesn't matter how you actually start, as long as you're heading somewhere, that's all that matters. So I felt really great about it. So I'm just gonna use this on every area I would want to highlight. It can be depressing when you put out videos and then it feels like you're not getting the amount of support you actually would want, but it really doesn't matter. Forward is forward, that's all. So I was just thankful. So I'm thankful for everyone that have actually watched my video, that have actually subscribed. Guys, y'all mean a lot to me. Like, it's the season of love, so not like love, Christmas, the season to be happy and be merry. So I just really want to be so thankful and thank everybody that has actually come across my video and saw the need to actually subscribe to me. There are 1,000,001 people out here with YouTube videos, and I do not do anything exceptional on my channel, but you guys still decided to subscribe to my channel, so that's really awesome and I'm so grateful for that. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my beauty blender. Oh my god, it's quite wet. I literally just washed it. Right after highlighting that, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. I'm just going to add that a little bit under my eyes because the NARS is a bit too light. It's not too light, but yeah, the LA Girl Fawn just brings a little color back. Just brings a little color back to my under eye. And I like how it feels when I do that, so yeah. Just gonna use a little under my eyes. So you guys probably can't see it, but it makes a huge difference when I actually do this. Like, it just gives me a little more yellow. And you know, Fawn is like the best. It's one of my best, and funny enough, it's been sold out here in Nigeria for long. Like the whole beauty stores I go into, I actually never find them. But the next thing I'm gonna do is set my under eyes with my Sacha ButterCup setting powder. I've never tried the Laura Mercier actually. Using this to press the powder in. I literally have no control on the brush. I'm just tapping it. I do not like baking anymore. I have really dry under eyes, so baking is probably not for me. So I just pressed it all in with my beauty blender. I just press the powder in. So the next thing I do is I use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark just to clean up my face or powder up every area of my face. To contour my face, I'm using my CoverGirl bronzer. It's broken. I always say that, I'm sure, so I always have to be careful when I hold it. And today I'm going to use my Shayla Colourpop Perception palette. I'm going to use thick. I'm going to use that as my blush. So to really make my contour really stand out, I'm going to do a reverse. Doesn't have to stay for long though. Wipe it out. To highlight my face, I'm going to use this Artist Couture highlighter in Double Take. Use the Browlution brow pencil for my brows. And I'll go right ahead and clean my brows with this brow pencil, this flat brush. This flat brush is from LA Girl. Can you see how it looks? so flat. I said earlier, this flat brush is from Mod. Yeah, Mod. No eyeshadow today, just a proper wing and an inner corner highlight. So I'm going to use my Inglot Black Gel Liner as usual in 77 and give myself a proper well-defined wing. I'm still trying to get a hang of giving myself a wing on camera. Trust me, it's difficult, guys. So when I say it's difficult, just believe me when I say that. As usual, I'm using my Capuccino from Zaron. This is my holy grail. I'm going to use my Yanga Beauty lip liner in Nuddy. Sit up. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I will be right back with the finished look. So I'm back, guys. Yeah, I'm back with the finished look. The lashes I'm using are from Beauty Kink. This lashes, Kink lashes from Beauty Kink. Miss Bossy. So this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I would see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah. I hope whenever this video comes out, I hope it's not Christmas yet, but happy Christmas, guys, in advance. Bye, guys.